Hello children, this is Miss Tammy and we're going to make a magic ocean touch bag. The first thing you need is a quart-sized bag. You need cornstarch with a tablespoon. You need a half a cup of water. You need blue food coloring. You need some oil. You need some foam ocean stickers. There's like a fishy. And you need to take this peel off the sticky back on the back. Then you also need some tape. I'm using some clear strapping tape. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch into our quart bag. So you can help me count. Make sure I do it right. All right, here we go. 1, 2, what's this number? 3? 3. Yes, 3. Next number is, I hope it's 4. 4. And I think it's one more for 5. Yes, one more for 5. There we go. Got our 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. The next thing I'm going to put in is the half a cup of water. There we go. We're going to put in about 3 drops of blue color because we want it to look like the ocean. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Put that cap back on. Now, I have a science question for you. Oh, first, before I do that, I want to close the bag. I'm going to close it almost shut, but not all the way, and then I'm going to squeeze any air out. Then I'll continue to shut it. Now, here's my science question for you. Here's the cornstarch. You can see it's white, and here's the water. It's the blue color. Do you think we can squeeze them together and that they will stay combined? Or do you think they're going to want to stay separate? Let's find out. Squishy, squishy, squishy bag, squishy bag, squishy bag, squishy, squishy, squishy bag, squish, squish, squish. Gotta get all that white powder mixed up in there. We gotta make sure, find out if we can mix it all together. I just have one little lumpy part. I gotta get that lumpy part mixed up. A lot of it's mixing, so I have a feeling it is going to mix. Get that last little bit. Let's see. All right. I don't see any white. It mixed. So the cornstarch and water did combine. That's good to know. Now, the next thing I'm going to put in is, let's put in some ocean sea life, okay? So I've got a dolphin. Go in there. I got a yellow fishy. I've got a blue starfish. I got a red shark. And I got a green whale. So they're all swimming in the ocean. Now I'm going to put half a cup of oil. So here's the half a cup, the oil. Pour that all in there. And we're going to pour that right into this bag. Alrighty, made a little mess there. Oopsies. Alright, now I gotta squeeze that air out again. Make sure I get all the air out. Squeeze the air. I don't want any air in there. Now, right now, when we look at it, we have the cornstarch and water mix on the bottom, and you can see though the oil is floating on top. Do you think if we mix it together, we can get it to stay together and not separate? Let's find out. Squishy, 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 squishy. Oh, it looks like it's staying together. Let's watch it for another second. Oh no, it's starting to separate. You can see this light color floating on the top. And that's the oil. Now, before we play with this too much more, we've got to make sure it's not going to squirt out of the bag and leak everywhere. So what I'm going to do is put some tape on here. So I got that strapping tape. I'm going to find the end of the strapping tape. Sometimes that can be tricky. I'm going to pull it off, go Come on, strapping tape. Starting to come. Alrighty. There we go. I'm going to use scissors to cut this off. Scissors. And now we're going to tape this on our bag and fold it over. Fold over. Now this is going to help keep it secure because we might want to play with this for a while. We don't want it squirting out on the table. So the oil is still separated. Squeeze it together, squeeze it together, squeeze it together. Let's see. It's all together now. Is it going to stay that way? Oh, it's starting to separate. Well, here's some more things we could do. I'm going to lay it on the table. I'm going to put my camera where you can see it. And now we can do all kinds of squishy things. I can make lines, and then they fill back in. We can spread it apart. We can chase the fishies across. Woo! See, wherever that oil and water, they separate, but then they sneak back together. And then they separate, and they sneak back together. So you can have fun with this. Do whatever you want with it. Pretty interesting how that oil separates from the water when they go back together. So have fun with your Magic Ocean Touch Bag, and I will talk to you again on another day. Bye-bye. Happy science.